Hey everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. I am also doing great. My name is Lasman and I welcome you all to my another Indian village life blog. I am from a small village in India and I want to show the world the beauty of my country. From peaceful village life and simple lifestyle to colorful festivals, delicious food and amazing tourist places. I also share the important life lessons I learned along the way. As you know, India is a land of many festivals. Today we are celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi and tomorrow we will celebrate Nuakhai. During Ganesh Chaturthi we worship Lord Ganesha and during Nuakhai we wear new clothes and cook many traditional dishes in every house. Everyone eat together with joy and happiness. Today, along with showing you my village, I will also share where we worship Lord Ganesha. If you want to see more corners of India through my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So without wasting time, let's start the vlog. Friends, this is my grandmother. She is 85 years old. Her health is okay, but she can't hear much now. And sometimes she forgets things and does not recognize us. I will talk to her in our local language. You might not understand, but just enjoy the moment.
ମତେ ଚିନି ପାରିଲୁ କି ନି ମତେ
କିଛି ନାହିଁ ସବୁ
ପଢା ଲେଖା ଟିକେ କରିଦିତୁ ବୋଲେ ଲେଖିକି ରହିଲା ଦେତୁ ତତେ ପଢା ଲେଖା ଟିକେ କରିଦିତୁ କି ନି
କାଁ ପଢୁଛ ଯେ
ଆଉ ପଢା ଲେଖା ଟିକେ କରିଦିତୁ ବୋଲେ ଆମେ ଲେଖିକି ରହିଲା ଦେଇଦିତୁ ଇହାରେ କେନ୍ତା କରି ତୋ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କଥା ଲାଗମୁ କେନ୍ତା କରି କଥା ଲାଗମୁ ତୋର ସାଙ୍ଗେ କାଁ କଣ କହ ବୁଢ଼ୀ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ତ ଦେଖା ଛୁଆ ଖାଲି ଇସାରାରେ କଥା ଲାଗବାକେ ପଡ଼ବା আর নাই চলবার মাইক স্পিকর মাইকটা মানে স্পিকরটা চলুছে মাইক নাই চলবার মাইক বলে রিসিভ করবা না
After a nice bath and wearing new clothes, I am ready. Actually, I work in a small city called Jharsuguda and I only come to my village when there's important work. That's why I really enjoy eating homemade food whenever I visit. After the bath, I was hungry, so let's eat some things. You can see after so many days I am finally eating food cooked at home. My sister made 3 types of dishes for me. This is a famous food from our region called Pakhal Bhat. We all love it here. Eating Pakhal Bhat with green chili, coriander and ginger is something special. People in our state are crazy about this food. My sister also made saag, fried banana and pointed gourd curry for me. Honestly, today's meal is going to be amazing. Let me eat fast and then we will continue the vlog. These are my 2 younger brothers Chintu and Titu. Chintu was breaking a coconut on a stone and when I asked for some he gave me just a teeny piece. Now friends, we are starting the Ganesh Puja. Almost everyone in the village joins the prayer, but some people only come for the rituals. Let me share what I know about why we worship Lord Ganesha. In today's world, everyone is so busy earning money that we sometimes forget that money is just a way to find happiness, not the happiness itself. So when we celebrate festivals like Ganesh Puja together, it gives us a chance to find real happiness. Wearing new clothes, enjoying special food and forgetting old fights for a day. And we also believe Lord Ganesha is the god of wisdom and the remover of obstacles. Worshipping him helps remove problems for our lives and brings blessings, happinesses and knowledge. So that is the main reason behind our Ganesh Puja celebrations. Now let's listen to some real sound from the celebration.
মারো গুড করে মারো গুড করে মারো বাকি সব মারো
After the puja, I took a short nap. It rained heavily while I was sleeping, and when I woke up, it was already 5 p.m. Because of the rain, water has collected in our courtyard. You can see how much water is in the courtyard. This is my niece Preeti. She is such a sweet little girl. I asked her to make a video like me, but she got shy. Look at the weather, it's changing again. I think it's going to rain once more. Since I don't stay in the village all the time, I am enjoying meeting my friends here after so many days. In a while, we are going to have some fun together. We will also sing in our local language. I am sure we will enjoy it.
1 2 3 start
John surus tarake mui saki rokiche Sobubele upor wala nu tote mui magiche Dunia ti rohiche to lagi jiuche Mor ghor ke rani hei agu ke beta kiche তোর লাগি মশাল কাটে জ্বলুছিলে তোতে ভাল লাগবা কে ই তোর পাগল দিওয়ানা তোর লাগি মুই সতে মরি গলে তোতে ভাল লাগবা কে ই তোর পাগল দিওয়ানা চুয়া দিনু তোতে ভাল পাউছে হো চুয়া দিনু তোতে ভাল পাউছে বল পাউতি মিরে সোনা তোমার পয়লা লরে সুন্দরী আই লাইক ইউ রে লভলি তুই মনা করি দেলে আয় রে সুন্দরী মরি জিমি তোর বিনা তুই মনা করি দেলে আয় রে সুন্দরী মরি জিমি তোর বিনা দাদা উঠাও
okay okay
So that was it for today's video, and I think you might not have liked today's video, but I promise you all that in future I will show new things about India on our channel. Seriously friend, I want to do something for you and for me. Please support me by liking, sharing and subscribing to the video and help me in moving ahead. So you will meet very soon in another new video. Till then, bye bye.